Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us discuss about burn down chart in Agile. Burn down chart tracks the remaining work. Suppose you have a graph like this. Along y-axis, you have a story points, and along x-axis, you have number of days. At the starting of day 1, let us say you have 80 story points to be completed. Your planned work is along this straight line. You are expected to complete by day 8, and this blue line, dotted line, represents your actual work. If the blue line is above this orange color line, it means you are lagging behind. If this blue line here, it crosses this and comes down below this orange line, it means you are ahead of your plan, and in the end you have only reached by the end of day 8. There are still 40 points. It means by the end of day 8 there are only 40 story points completed until here. It means you are lagging behind here. You need to complete remaining 40 story points, but as per the actual plan, 10 story points. It means you are lagging behind here 30 story points based on your plan. Like this, burn down chart tracks the remaining work. Remember, burn down chart is used for tracking the remaining work. Along y-axis, you will represent the story points, and along y-axis, you represent number of days. Orange line represents your planned work. Ideally, you should complete like this by 8th or 9th day, right? This blue line represents the actual work that has been completed. Let us understand burn down chart with a real life scenario. Imagine you are planning to sell 50 cookies in 5 days. At the end of day 1, you will have a 40 cookies remaining because 10 cookies you have already sold on day 1. Similarly, end of day 2, you have sold another 10 cookies. It means 30 cookies are remaining. At the end of day 3, when you sell 10 more cookies, you will have 20 remaining. End of day 4, you will have 10 remaining. At the end of day 5, there will be 0 cookies. Means you have sold out all the cookies. Here as well, you are tracking the remaining cookies, right? In this case, here we are tracking how many cookies are remaining. Here 40 remaining, 30 remaining, 20 remaining, 10 remaining, and 0 remaining. Burn down chart works in similar way. It helps team to see whether they are on track to complete the task by the end of the sprint. If the chart shows too much remaining work near the end, it signals that team might need to adjust and prioritize. One of the use case or importance of burn down chart is that it helps to check whether a team is on track. Burn down chart is an excellent way for checking your daily status as well as tracking how much work is remaining and whether you are on track to complete the task on time. They let everyone see if the team is on track and help the managers or a team members to identify any blockers and delays. So this is about the burn down chart in Agile. It basically tracks the remaining work. At any point of time here, you will be able to identify the remaining work or a remaining story point. For example, at this point, you have a almost 30 story points remaining, right? Like this, at any given day, you can track the remaining work. This part is a remaining work. Here, for example, 40 story points remaining. For example, here 50 story points remaining. Here 60 story points remaining, right? So basically, burn down chart will track the remaining work in your sprint. Thank you for watching.